Welcome to my channel, Living Your Best Life, and I'm Cindy Smaha, and today I am so excited because I am going to talk to you about my top 20 tips and tricks for a successful cruise vacation. And I'm so excited. Ours is coming up in 1 month, so I'm already packing and figuring out all the clothes that we're going to wear. So I want to share with you my top 20 tips that will help you pack and have fun. So before we get into this, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that little bell right next to it so you'll be notified of all my future uploads. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Maybe you have another suggestion or idea, tips and tricks for a good and successful cruise vacation. I always want to know. So let's get into this. My first tip is to get there a day early. Okay, what that will do, that'll help you get some rest, get a good night's sleep. You won't have all that rushing around because if you fly in the same day that you're leaving the port, there's a lot of logistics that go around and it's just crazy. And so to help with your sanity, go down a day earlier, stay at a hotel, and then that way you can get a good night's sleep, go to bed early. And you also want to repack your carry-on bag. And what I mean by that is that pack your carry-on bag as if you're not going to get your luggage early enough for dinner. So what I like to do is that I wear a swimsuit under my clothes and probably wear like a cover up, but a nice dress cover up, and comfortable sandals that we can go to the pool in between the times because our check-in time is 11 o'clock in the morning. So we've got plenty of time before dinner, but sometimes your bags are not sent to your room until after dinner. So that's why I say pack in your carry-on the clothes that you're going to wear for dinner, your pill pack, and all the other necessities you would need in order to go to dinner that evening. So, and wear comfortable shoes. My second tip is to roll your clothes and put them in Ziploc bags. And I have a video here showing you how I roll clothes, and I'm not the neatest person in the world, but this really does help with organization. It really helps me with knowing what I actually have in my suitcase without having to go through it and through it all and get everything wrinkled and again and everything like that. And it also helps that when the bag is thrown in on the counter and tossed around in that, the clothes stay safe in their own Ziploc bag. And so that's why I really like it. And I like to use clear bags so that I know what I have. I know there's a big thing about using those compartmental sized bags for packing, but I tried that, and what I just didn't like is that I couldn't see what was in there. So I couldn't tell if it was shorts or if it was tank tops or if it was dresses, whatever it was, I couldn't tell. So that's why I just go cheap and I use these Ziploc gallon size bags. My second tip is to get magnetic hooks because in your stateroom the walls are metal and so they'll be able to stick to it. And these are great for drying out swimsuits, towels, hats, other things that you want to put on there. So these are just wonderful. I bring about 4 of these. My fourth tip is to check with your cell phone company about the international areas that you're going to be going to if you have free Wi-Fi and free calling in that area, because it could be expensive, and they can guide you and direct you on how to do international calling if you need to. Otherwise, you probably want to put your phone on airplane mode so that way you're not going to be receiving any texts or phone calls. But I really like to be able to have that access if somebody needs me or if there's something going on with my dog. And so I always like to check with my cell phone company, and usually the areas that we're going to, they have coverage there, and we're going to go to the Bahamas and my cell phone company has international calling there, so it's very helpful. My fifth tip is to get internet access from the ship. It's going to be 5G access, so it's going to be really fast. And if you're like me, I do want to check my accounts, check my email, check my YouTube channel, reply to comments. post videos, things like that. So we always get the internet that's provided by the ship. Now it's a little extra. I think it's between $25 and $30 a day, but for me it's worth it. And you can have up to, I believe, 3 devices. So I put my husband's down as another device, and that doesn't cost extra. So that's helpful. So then we both have internet access. My 6th tip is to book shore excursions before you leave, because they book up fast and then you're without being able to go on a shore excursion or one that you really want. So I've already booked all our shore excursions that we wanted to go on and paid for them. So that's always a good idea. I think you even get like a 30% discount if you purchase your shore excursions ahead of time. So it is worth it to do that. My 7th tip is to research the ship that you're going to be sailing on. Know what's on each deck, where the main dining room is, where the Windjammer Cafe, which is the buffet, I believe it's on the deck 11. Know what's on your level of where your stateroom is, if there's any like customer service, Wi-Fi questions, the shops that are on there, those are always fun. The duty-free shops, those are really good. And then the other areas that you might, the shore excursion desk, so, and other areas that you would want to get familiar with. Know those where they're at ahead of time. My 8th tip is to purchase Reef Safe Sunblock. And this one is from Banana Boat, and it's for faces. So that's what I like, this one. It's 30 SPF and oil-free, non-greasy, and it says Reef Safe. So on most of the shore excursions that we've gone on is that they won't allow you to apply non-reef safe, and why not? Let's protect the reefs, let's protect the planet that we're on. So purchase this. And all the products that I show in the video I will list in the description box. Bring along a trial size of Downey Wrinkle Release Spray. And this is really, really good for shirts that are not cotton, that are polyester, and that you can just spray it on. This is like a miracle product here. You spray it on and the wrinkles just fall right out. And I just love, love, love this. Otherwise, on the first day of the cruise, your cabin steward will give you a discount list of being able to steam clean some of your more formal outfits. There's 2 formal nights, and so I've got 2 fancy dresses that usually they get wrinkled, too wrinkled in the trip, and so we also have them steam my husband's suit. And so, but there's usually a discount on it, so you want to make sure that you grab that discount ahead of time. Purchase an external charging unit, and this one I like because it fits right into any plug-in like that, and it goes away, and it already has a plug-in for Android phones. And so you want to go ahead and charge this up. This keeps the charge. I charged this, I want to say, like a month ago, and it still has 79% charging in it. So this is great. This is a heavy duty one. So, but I put this in my purse because we're taking lots of pictures, doing videos, and our cell phones, you know, could be dying while we're out and about. Want to make sure that we capture all that fun. So get yourself an external charging unit. These are really great to have. Okay, these are so much fun. These are towel clips to keep your beach towel on your lounger, because sometimes it is pretty breezy out on the decks, and it's just so cute. Isn't that cute? My husband has a fish, I think, and mine's a flamingo, so they're just so cute. They just go right around the towel, and you can clip that towel right onto that lounger, and it doesn't blow away. So these are so much fun. I love these. My 12th tip is Aqua Socks. These are so nice. These pair of mine are a little heavier duty. There's a little more cushion on there, but these are great when we're going to be going out on a shore excursion, and I didn't want to bring sandals with me. You know, that I don't want to either get my sandals dirty or get them all sandy. So these are great, and these can fit into your flippers if you go snorkeling. So these fit right into the flippers. and so they're helpful on the hot sand on the beach, and I just love these. Aqua Socks. My 13th tip is a waterproof cell phone package, and it comes with a lanyard, and it's super easy to use. You just pop it open at the top. Get it open. There we go. And then you put your cell phone in there like that. These are great for shore excursions when you don't want to bring a purse and you don't want to leave your money or your cell phone in your bag on the boat while you're out snorkeling. And this is also helpful because it is a plastic screen that you can still use your cell phone. So what I like to do is I like to use it to videotape the fish that I'm swimming with. So this is so much fun. Be aware that depending on how cold the water is, the cell phone may get too cold and turn off the camera. So just so you know. And what I put in here is I put in like 20-30 bucks in cash. I put my credit card that I will use and my sail pass to get on and off the cruise, as well as the cell phone. So these are just, I can't live without these when we go on a cruise or on vacation. These are wonderful. Plan ahead of time that somebody may get seasick. It's always a good idea to have Dramamine with you. If you can get scopolamine patches that go behind the ear, those are great as well, but prepare for it just in case. Bring those products, Dramamine or scopolamine patches with you. That will help you so much. I was seasick on one of the longer cruises that I was on. That was a 13-day cruise, and we were on rough seas for about 3 days, and I'm telling you, seasickness was awful. I was so sick, and I didn't prepare for it. So please prepare for seasicknesses. Whether you get it or not, bring it with you. Tip number 15 is bring a stainless steel water bottle. You can pack this in your checked bags, and I just love mine because it keeps the water and ice cold for about 10 to 12 hours. So all day I'm going to be able to stay hydrated because the glasses that you're going to have at the stations are not big enough to carry around. And this is just so convenient that I can bring it on shore excursions and so forth and stay well hydrated. Tip number 16 is wear comfortable shoes. Make sure you have sandals or sneakers that are very comfortable, because you are going to be walking a lot on the ship itself because it's huge, and getting from here to there, you're going to be walking a lot. So wear comfortable shoes that have good support in them. I have a pair of Clark sandals that I'm bringing, and I also have a pair of Skechers sneakers that I'm bringing with me. So wear comfortable shoes. 17th tip is to ask your cabin steward to help you with a few things. And I've got a list, and I will list a list in the description box, so you've got it. So the first one is ask for a mattress topper. And what they'll do is they'll help cushion, because those beds are really hard. They're really hard. So ask for a mattress topper. Ask for extra hangers, extra pillows, because I have to sleep with my head elevated, so I need about 2 to 3 extra pillows. You can ask for 2 terry cloth bathrobes that are free, so we always ask for bathrobes. Ask for a printed daily calendar activity for your stateroom every day, because they'll assume you're using the app, which the app is also helpful too, but we like to see it on paper. We're old school, so ask for a printed daily activities calendar. If you do have a small fridge in your stateroom, ask them to take all those beverages out, because once you drink one of those, then they charge you for it. So ask them to take all of that out, so that way you have room for your water bottle. If you purchase any soda, something like that, you want to put that in your refrigerator, but ask them to take all that product that they put in there, to take that out, because that stuff's expensive. Ask for fresh ice every day, and they will give you fresh ice either the morning or the afternoon, but ask for fresh ice in your stateroom every single day. And the last thing is utilize the dry cleaning. utilize their steam cleaners and whatever like that, because you cannot bring a travel steam cleaner with you. You can't bring an iron with you. But I thought it was strange you can bring a curling iron with you, but you can't bring a clothes iron with you, or a steam cleaner, a travel steam cleaner. So take advantage of their in-house dry cleaning. Pack a first aid kit. Now I put one together myself of items that I think that I will need. Large band-aids, small band-aids, Neosporin, ibuprofen, Tylenol, swimmer's ear stuff, toothpicks, all that kind of stuff, Gas X, all those kind of things, Pepto-Bismol. So I have this, and I package everything in clear plastic bags. That way I can see what it is and I know what's in there. I don't have to search and open 20 things just to find the right one. Bring a mesh or beach tote with you, because you're going to need it. Going on shore excursions, you're going to have something to put the bath towels in, if you have a change of clothes, different shoes you want to wear, your sunblock, your lip block, to put your hats in, those kind of things. So invest in a good beach tote and bring it with you, because if you buy it on the shipping, it's going to be probably around 40 bucks, so it's not cheap. So bring your own beach tote with you. And the last tip, number 20, is pack your pills in a nice little 7-day package like this. I just love these. And so I have one for my nighttime medicine and one for my daytime medicine, and I pack them. And make sure that and I put this in my personal bag, my purse that I bring with me. I put all my medicine in my purse with me, along with my passport, my ID, any other things that I would need for the traveling, to show the TSA agent at the airport or when you get on the cruise. Make sure you have that handy right with you, because you don't want to put that in your checked bags, and you don't want to put it in your carry-on. So put it in your personal bag that you have with you. Okay, those are all my 20 tips. I hope they're helpful for you. I know when I was researching it months ago when we were going on our trip again, that I found out these wonderful things, and I wanted to share them with you, because these have really helped me out a lot to have a good, peaceful, accident-free, frustration-free cruise vacation. So let me know in the comments if you have any other ideas and other tips and tricks. I'm always open for that. So wherever you are in the world, I want you to know that I love you, I cherish you, I thank you so much for watching my channel, and I will see you next week, Monday at 4. Have a great week. Bye-bye.